Hi everyone, my name is Ayush. I am 26 years old. Since 2017, I was suffering from a TMJ trauma. उस टाइम भी मैंने ब्रेसेस को कंसिडर किया था, बट बिकॉज ऑफ सेवरल इश्यूज वो ट्रीटमेंट मेरे लिए सक्सेसफुल नहीं हुआ. देन आई वाज रेफर्ड टू डॉक्टर अनुराग इन 2022. सर ने बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस बताए, हमने स्कैन्स किए, एंड देन ही कंसिडर्ड कि इसमें प्रोग्रामिंग रिप्रोग्रामिंग पूरी बाइट की होनी चाहिए. देन वी अगेन वेंट फॉर ब्रेसेस, एंड राइट नाउ आफ्टर 2 years I am feeling much better, and my pain has almost gone. I am seeing a reduction in pain almost 80%, and my TMJ, which was crackling earlier, uh, right now it is very better. So I am
So the
very,
crackling sound was very frequent.
yeah, it was very frequent, and not just frequent, it was very painful.
So we had done correction of your bite, and now you're on your settling phase.
Yes,
So are you feeling comfortable now?
I am feeling comfortable, much comfortable, very better. Now my biting has been improved. I am eating I mean, very easy.